Big Rob, hold on. You're telling me, say that the red light business that go on a back road done? Stop? Gone out of business?
No, man, it's still there.
Oh!
It will never go out of business. It's the longest profession. Maybe you're too young
The
to know
oldest
that.
profession. The oldest profession.
The oldest profession. Maybe
Yes.
you're too young to know that.
No. And
Right.
I've been a customer at back road.
You have been a customer, Johnny's, or Andre's, or Morgan. But the reality is, Cliff, I'm planning some activities for around there, some health education.
Yes.
I want to bring the health
Why you making up?
around
Why
there.
you make up that? Why you make up that vote for? All of us.
Because you said that you're a customer.
Yes. All of us is a rite of passage. Growing up in Jamaica, in Kingston, you go back road. You have the time when you went to back road. Yes. And you go back road for a number of things. Why you all making up? Look at them.
Chinese restaurant.
Look at them.
Right?
We must talk
You
truth.
need to visit the Dragon. It's a nice place. You can have a ferry that goes right into Port
Back
Royal.
road. Yes. You grew up in Kingston. Yes. Back road is a rite of passage. Not true, Big Rob?
Absolutely.
Not true.
Absolutely.
Thank you very
I
much.
would invite your staff to come down to Back Road.
Them creating all kind of